Hey, how's it going, everybody? A very, very, very cold day here at the house. We had a cold front that came in last night, and we went from 50 degrees all the way down with the wind chill this morning of negative 17. We got a little bit of snow last night, nothing really to write home about, but it is cold. Right now I'm in my basement, getting ready to walk outside, and we're going to see if all our vehicles are going to start up. So I guess we can call this a cold start. And hopefully we can get in there and the doors aren't sealed shut from the ice. But let's go find out if these things are going to start up. So like I said, we got a little bit. And this is pretty cold for us here in Tennessee. It's actually below normal this time of year. But like I said, wind chill right now, negative 17. And let's see if we can get the Honda start up, the SRT8 to start up, my truck, and the Commander, and maybe a couple of more. Oh God, it's cold this morning. All right, let's see if she starts. There we go. Go ahead and start defrosted. Ooh. All right, now let's see if the 300 is going to start up. She's been sitting for a little bit. She's a little stuck. There we go. Hopefully this battery didn't get zapped. Yeah, this battery got zapped. We'll have to put up the charger on that later on. All right, now we're gonna walk out the front of the house, see if I can get my truck to start up and the Commander. And man, this is nothing but ice on this door. That was kind of like me messing around this morning. Deeth was like, that was mean, but I had a flashback of the day after tomorrow. But let's go out here and see if we can get them started. Brr, this wind chill's biting. Oh, I got the Commander, my 1500. Let's see. Come on, babies. Get the keys here. Whew. Yay! Go ahead and let that start defrosted. And the good old Commander. Ooh. Up. But I got 3 of the Mopar started right now. Good old -17 windshield. But other than that, guys, that's it for today because it's too damn cold to be in a garage. I hope everybody has a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And hopefully it's a good new year for everyone for next year. Other than that, guys, you have a safe one, and I'll see you down the road.